Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Happy New Year's Eve to everyone. So today, guys, we will prepare the last update in the current year. So next time we will meet already in the next year. Also, guys, I'm not sure about the 1st of January. Tomorrow probably we could take the holiday, since I just taking a look at the markets. It's probably hardly we will get something interesting tomorrow. So probably tomorrow I will not prepare any updates. So let's focus on the weekly research. So weekly research I will do, but the daily update tomorrow probably we will miss it. Also, guys, on the coming 10 days, so from the 1st till the 10th of the January in Russia, this is the Christmas holidays. So this is the holidays, no, not the business sessions, all 10 days. So that's why I will probably put the updates, daily updates, a bit later in the day. So I just want to sleep a bit. But after the 10th of the January, we will return back to the common order. So this will be approximately as usual in 9 o'clock. Or even earlier by the European Central Time. So this will have the relation only from the 1 to the 10th of the January. This is schedule. So yesterday we said that we also keep an eye on the other currencies such as the Australian dollar and the Canadian. And since right now is nothing interesting is going on the euro currency, we will take a look at the Australian dollar today. In general, the idea for the Australian dollar and for the New Zealand dollar was the same. It has been formed 3 months ago when we first time have spoken on this setup. So take a look, that market has hit very significant support area. As you can see, this is the long term, this is monthly chart, guys. So you can see this is long-term trend line stands here. Major fib support 71.82 area, and yearly pivot support too. So, but even the single fib level, the major fib level on the whole, all the time low till this top 618 support should be sufficient to speak about possible upward bounce. And but as you can see, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar responds to the same situation differently. So if the New Zealand dollar, we see that it was really nice bounce and it still continues, and New Zealand dollar totally has confirmed and approved our expectations, or even shows the better action. On the Australian dollar, as you can see, reaction is really mild on the monthly chart, so it's not really big bounce. And here we see some signs that probably could lead to downward continuation or some downward action in the nearest future. So we'll keep watching on the situation, and I just will show you the interesting patterns that you could watch for if you would like to trade the Australian dollar, or if you trade it regularly. This might be interesting for you. So on the daily chart, we see that market stands in a minor bounce here, but on the lower time frame charts, we see some hints that this upward action could finish soon. So take a look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart, market hasn't quite complete even the harmonic swing that's equals to the previous reaction. So you can see market's trying to move high. Maybe this will happen, maybe market will touch it, but as it seems right now, it's not really big chances that we will see. Also, guys, take a look that trend has shifted bullish in August on Australian dollar, but market stands flat. So that looks like the bearish dynamic pressure on Australian dollar. And take a look. In fact, market stands in the range of this candle that has been formed in the middle of the August, and all this time, almost the half of the year, market stands in this tight range. So this is not really typical for some bullish market. So this looks like the weakness on the market. And we see some moments that could probably tell us that market really could turn down very soon. I'm not speaking on the possible just miserable plunge down, some drop, but this downward action could start it very soon. So on the daily chart, we see some other signs. So take a look. First of all, take a look at these harmonic swings. So first swing has been completed perfectly. So you can see the same slope, the same distance, ABCD pattern has been completed. It's very cool. Take a look at the third swing. It has been completed as well. It's the same distance, but take a look at the slope. Market, this action has become weaker, it's slower, and that tells that market becomes also weaker, and the power of the bulls becomes weaker. And market turns to the forming of some sort of the pennant pattern or triangle, you could call it differently. Right now, we should watch for, I mark it with the circle, we should watch for this action. So if market wasn't able to reach the upper border and turn down, this will be a sign that the bearish breakout could happen, because this is classical moment that was described in the classical book by Merther, Schwager. So if market is forming some consolidation, this could be the rectangle, triangle, and if it is not able to reach the opposite border and turn down before the border has been reached, this is the signs of weakness and significantly increase the chances of the breakout. Other words speaking, this usually happens before breakout will come. Previously, guys, you can see market touched the border very well. So you can see this has been reached here and here and here. It's a question whether it will happen or not. Now, finally, another moment why we think that really could happen, take a look at the hourly chart, guys. On the hourly chart, with this upward action, market is forming 1618 through drive sell pattern. So you can see that the second drive stands at 1618 of the first drive. Third drive also stands at 1618, and recently it has been hit this area. Okay. Yesterday I thought that here we will get the butterfly, but occasionally market has dropped lower below this low, and that's why this butterfly has been erased. So this first drive, second drive, this is the third drive, and 1618 target has been hit yesterday. Also, market stands below the weekly pivot resistance one, and in general this could mean that market could turn down. So this is some kind of the reversal pattern has been formed. Now we should keep an eye on what really will happen here, because this is really a long-term picture on the monthly chart, and it could take some time to trigger the reversal down on the market. But here market stands at a very important moment. So if, for example, we will see this breakout down, this, as you can see, market mostly moves in some kind of the range pattern to the upside. So if we will see the breakout of this consolidation downs, market will not be able to continue move higher, and probably it will not be able to do this. It will drop lower. That could become the first signs that's downward action, because this market will turn here. It definitely will not complete this top reaching of this border of this triangle, and this will be the signs of weakness. That's why we think that Australian dollar stands under the pressure of the possible reversal, since action here is not very tremendous. Speaking on the possible target, well, guys, in a short-term perspective, this might be the lower border of the triangle, but if this really will happen, this breakout, we could keep an eye on the dynamic pressure. So in this case, market should take out of these lows. Maybe this will be wash and rinse. Maybe market will continue to move lower, but bearish pressure usually tells that market should take out of these lows. So as you can see, not really small potential of this trade. We just need to wait when the right moment will come where we could try to take the short. All preparation has been done here. So market has formed different patterns, shows the signs of weakness. Now we just need to get the final moment, this triggering of the bearish action. As soon as this will happen, we could try to take the position on some retracement up. So for example, if market will form here a reversal swing drop below these lows, in this case we could try to take the position on some minor retracement. That's why Australian dollar right now looks very interesting. So this is our view on Australian dollar. So guys, on weekly research probably we'll take a look at some majors. I do not know currently what they will be. Maybe euro. So happy new year to everybody. So let's see you in the next year.